Something changed in AI this year, and most people missed it. The tools got smarter, faster, and cheaper overnight. But which ones actually matter for making money? Which tools are just hype, and which create leverage? What if one tool here replaces your entire workflow? What if another gives you unfair speed in business? And what if you're already behind without realizing it? This list is not random, it's strategic. Each tool here solves a specific business bottleneck. Stay until the end, because one tool shifts everything. Let's start with a tool changing how research works. Perplexity AI is not just another chatbot. It answers with sources, not guesses. That means faster decisions with less risk. Business owners use it for rapid market research. Instead of Google digging, you get direct insights. You can validate ideas in minutes, not days. This changes how quickly you launch products. Next is Claude, built for deeper thinking. Claude handles long documents without breaking. You can analyze contracts, reports, or strategy docs. It feels more like a reasoning engine than a chatbot. Consultants are using it for structured thinking. It's especially strong for business writing and logic. If you think in frameworks, this tool fits perfectly. Now let's talk about video, the highest leverage medium. Runway ML is pushing AI video forward fast. You can generate realistic clips from text prompts. No camera, no crew, no editing skills required. This cuts production costs dramatically. Brands are already replacing traditional shoots. Speed matters, and Runway delivers speed. But short-form content still dominates attention. That's where Opus Clip comes in. It turns long videos into viral short clips. It detects key moments automatically. Creators save hours on editing. This is distribution leverage, not just creation. More content means more surface area for growth. Now audio is becoming just as important. 11 Labs is leading AI voice generation. You can create realistic voiceovers instantly. No recording setup, no voice actor needed. Businesses use it for ads and explainer videos. Consistency becomes easy at scale. And voice cloning opens new opportunities. Music is another hidden opportunity. Suno AI lets you generate full songs. You can create custom music for content. No licensing headaches anymore. This is useful for branding and identity. Unique sound creates recognition over time. Now let's shift to websites and speed. Durable builds websites in under a minute. You input a business idea, it builds everything. Layout, copy, images, all generated. Perfect for testing ideas quickly. No developer needed for early stage launches. Speed of execution becomes your advantage. Now coding is also changing fast. Replit Ghostwriter assists while you build. It suggests code and fixes errors in real time. Non-developers can now build functional tools. This lowers the barrier to entry massively. More builders means more competition. But also more opportunity if you move early. Presentation is another overlooked area. Gamma creates AI-powered presentations. No more designing slides manually. You input ideas, it structures everything. This is useful for sales and pitching. Better presentations increase conversion rates. Now let's talk about design workflows. Pika is another AI video tool gaining traction. It focuses on creative storytelling visuals. You can create cinematic scenes quickly. This helps content stand out instantly. Attention is currency, and visuals win. Now here's where things get strategic. Most people use these tools individually. That's a mistake. The real advantage is combining them. Stacking tools creates exponential output. For example, Research with Perplexity AI. Then structure ideas using Claude. Turn that into a script. Generate visuals using Runway ML or Pika. Create voice with 11 Labs. Add music from Suno AI. Then distribute using Opus Clip. That's a full content system. One person can now replace a team. This is where money is made. Efficiency creates margin. Margin creates freedom. Now here's the blind spot. Tools don't matter without direction. Most people chase tools, not outcomes. You need a clear business model. Then use tools to accelerate it. For example, local service businesses. Use Durable to launch fast websites. Run ads and test demand. Use Gamma for client presentations. Use Claude for proposal writing. This is a complete service system. Or content-based businesses. Use Runway ML for long videos. Clip them with Opus Clip. Add voice using 11 Labs. Scale across platforms quickly. Now let's pause for a second. If you're getting value from this breakdown, tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Because these shifts happen fast. And missing one update costs time. Now back to strategy. Speed is no longer optional. AI compresses time. Execution cycles are shorter now. What took weeks now takes hours. That changes competition entirely. The winners are not the smartest. They are the fastest learners. And the fastest implementers. Another key insight. AI reduces skill gaps. It increases strategy gaps. Anyone can create content now. But not everyone can position it. Positioning is your real edge. Tools just amplify it. Let's talk about monetization angles. Freelancers can package AI services. Offer faster delivery at competitive pricing. Agencies can scale output without hiring. Content creators can increase posting frequency. Startups can validate ideas quickly. Every role benefits differently. But only if used correctly. Another mistake people make. They overcomplicate their stack. You don't need every tool. You need the right combination. Focus on output, not tools. Measure results, not features. Now think about the next 12 months. AI tools will double again. Costs will drop further. Capabilities will increase. What feels advanced today becomes basic tomorrow. Early adopters gain compounding advantage. Late adopters struggle to catch up. This is not about trends. It's about leverage. Technology always rewards leverage. AI is the biggest leverage shift in decades. And it's still early. But here's the reality. Most people will watch this and do nothing. Information without action is useless. Pick one tool from this list. Apply it to your current workflow. Then expand from there. That's how you build systems. Not by consuming more content, but by implementing consistently and refining over time. Now zoom out for a moment. We're moving towards solo operators. Small teams with massive output. AI is enabling that shift. The traditional model is breaking. New opportunities are forming. Those who adapt early win. Those who hesitate lose ground. Simple as that. Now here's your takeaway. Don't chase every new tool. Master a few deeply. Integrate them into your workflow. Build repeatable systems. That's how you stay ahead. And that's how you make money with AI. If you want to stay ahead of these shifts, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on the bell so you don't miss updates. Because what's coming next is even bigger. New tools, new systems, new opportunities. And the gap will only widen from here. Stay sharp, stay fast, and stay building. The tools links are given in the description.